High in the Himalayas, a hermit lived. Wise and ancient, he commanded the elements. He took on 3 students, Moni, Mekhala, Ream, Eyso, and Prince Vorachun. He taught them the secrets of magic and nature. Years passed. The students grew powerful. The hermit, pleased with their progress, decided to test them. He announced a contest. "Whoever brings me the rarest treasure," he declared, "shall inherit my mantle." The students, eager to prove themselves, set out on their quests. Each sought the most extraordinary prize. Their journeys would test their skills and reveal their true natures. Prince Vorachun, with his charm, persuaded kings to part with their riches. He returned with chests overflowing with gold and jewels. Ream, using his growing power over the wind, flew across distant lands. He brought back exotic plants and animals unseen in their land. Moni, Mekhala, however, chose a different path. She meditated, seeking guidance from nature itself. In her dreams, the ocean whispered a secret. It spoke of a magical crystal hidden deep within its depths. With newfound determination, Moni, Mekhala plunged into the sea. She braved treacherous currents and faced fearsome creatures. Finally, she found the crystal, radiating with otherworldly light. It pulsed with the rhythm of the tides. The students presented their treasures to the hermit. Prince Vorachun displayed his riches. Ream showed his exotic collection. The hermit examined them, a thoughtful look on his face. Then Moni, Mekhala revealed the crystal. It pulsed with a gentle light, bathing the mountaintop in its glow. The hermit smiled. "This," he declared, "is truly a rare and precious treasure." As a reward, he bestowed upon them magical gifts. To Prince Vorachun, he gifted a sword that could cleave mountains. To Ream, he gave a magical axe that could command the wind. And to Moni, Mekhala, he entrusted the crystal, now strung upon a necklace. The students were grateful, but envy began to stir in Ream heart. He had flown across the world, faced dangers. Yet the hermit favoured Moni, Mekhala's simple crystal. He whispered doubts to Prince Vorachun, but the prince, content with his own gift, paid little attention. Ream, however, became consumed by jealousy. He coveted Moni, Mekhala's crystal. He believed it held the key to ultimate power. He began to plot, whispering to the wind, seeking a way to claim the treasure for himself. One day, Ream confronted Moni, Mekhala. He demanded she hand over the crystal. Moni, Mekhala refused. Ream, enraged, raised his axe. He summoned a furious wind, a tempest that shook the heavens. Moni, Mekhala stood firm, the crystal glowing brightly. She refused to cower before his rage. She raised her hands, calling upon the power of the ocean. The waves rose to meet the wind, crashing against the sky. The clash of their powers shook the very earth. Lightning flashed, illuminating the fury on Ream face and the calm resolve on Moni, Mekhala's.